so much more fun when there's more than one. Right? So, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's so much more fun when there's more than one.
Excellent. Cool. Now, I want to introduce you to a friend of ours. So, he's very shy. He's called Wilbur. Do you reckon you can all shout for Wilbur?
Wilbur.
Yeah? Right, on the count of 3, we're all going to call Wilbur. 1, 2, 3.
Wilbur!
Come on, Wilbur.
Oh, very good.
Wait, Wilbur.
It's with CD.
Wilbur's very shy because he's just started at a new school and he doesn't have any friends. Does anybody want to be Wilbur's friend?
Yes,
Alright? See, look, Wilbur, lots of people want to be your friend. Now, Wilbur, before Wilbur moved schools, he used to have lots of fun. He had loads of friends. He used to play catch all the time. And he used to, and he had so much fun with his friends. And he was really happy. But then he moved to a new school, and he didn't know how to settle in. He didn't know how to make friends. He was really scared. So he just thought, I'll be all right on my own. But being on your own isn't very much fun, was it, Wilbur? Because he couldn't play catch because there was no one to throw the ball to him or the catches. Couldn't play football. Tried to do anything, but it didn't work. And so Wilbur needs lots of friends. And I know when I started school, I was really scared, really nervous, and I was like, I don't know anyone. What am I going to do? And but you know, you just need to have friends. I've forgotten whether
Yes.
Yeah, so, you know, if you work together, you have so much more fun, can't you?
Yeah.
And so Ben came along and met Wilbur, and they're friends now. And they go to the park and play games. It's great because, you know what? It's so much more fun when there's more than one. Should we do that again?
Yeah.
It's
So much more fun when there's more than one.
And we've got a little song, haven't we? Yeah, you're on the way to give me that. Let's make a song. So it goes, I can't sing very well, so sorry. It's so much more fun when there's more than one. It's so much more fun when it's more than one. It's so much more fun when it's more than one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so much more fun when there's more than
Well